Hi, Dr. Eric Lund here, your local Roseville and St. Paul chiropractor, and welcome to your weekly pain relief video. This week I'd like to discuss with you findings of MRIs. So basically, if you've ever had neck pain or lower back pain, you may have had an MRI of that region, either your neck or your lower back. And I want to talk about the findings on an MRI. And so typically what you're going to see is a great thing about an MRI is it can visualize the soft tissue, and so we can see things like the disc. The disc is going to be that shock absorbing structure between each vertebra. And so really what we're trying to determine with an MRI is what are we dealing with as far as the disc. Now there can be something that's called a protrusion or a bulge. And then the other finding you may have heard of is what's called a herniation. And so the difference between a protrusion or a bulge is if you think of a jelly donut, the donut is deformed, but the jelly is still contained within the donut. If you have a herniation, that means that the jelly is actually outside of the donut. Each of these problems can cause neck pain or back pain, or it can cause symptoms to radiate to your arms for the neck or to your leg or legs for the lower back. And so again, what you really want to distinguish is are you dealing with a protrusion or a bulge, or are you dealing with a herniation? And then the second aspect you're looking for is that protrusion or is that herniation, is that physically pinching a nerve or is it not pinching a nerve? Now, the good news is that whether it's a protrusion or a herniation, whether it's touching a nerve or not touching a nerve, each of those scenarios has a good chance of responding favorably to conservative chiropractic relief care, meaning that it has a very good chance of improving or reducing your pain, severity, and the frequency of your pain. And so surgery would be the last option. Injections or steroid injections would be in the middle, but it always makes sense to try chiropractic first, or certainly to try chiropractic relief care before you would consider any type of surgery. So if you're looking for more information on back and neck pain relief, I'd encourage you to go to my blog, www.drericlundblog.com, and there you can download a free guide for back and neck pain relief. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.